Here's our little bundle of joy, struggling with the hiccups. Oh, they may be gone. Oh, she was just suffering for a good 5 minutes before I grabbed the camera. And of course, as soon as I do and get it on her, she stops. You look very grumpy, though. Oh, you're tired. Oh, never mind. Is that all you got? Oh, Pumpkin. Now that's a good smile. Hi, baby. Oh, don't put the lip out. At least your hiccups are gone. Huh? You still look a little grumpy. What you doing? You sitting in your chair? Oh, you're being a good girl. Get a little extra smile in there. You do look a little tired. Oh, did I say the T word? Oh, big yawn. Boy, you're very, very quiet today. Weird. Alrighty. Just be that way. But at least your hiccups are gone. Bye, baby.